Scorpio, welcome. Hope all is well. Welcome to Tarot 411. Thank you for liking and subscribing to the channel, Scorpio. As I do this reading, channel the messages. Keep in mind that the messages that I am channeling is focused on moving forward here. It's a time to move forward, Scorpio. Wherever you are, this is like new projects and things that you need to start. You've been delaying and putting off here, Scorpio. Planets are going in direct here. All the planets are lining up. The last one to line up is Uranus here. And in Uranus, there's going to be an unexpected change and impact coming here. I don't know what it is, but I've been channeling like earthquakes and volcanoes here. It could be something environmental. It could even be just something happening at sea is what I just channeled just now. Okay, so we have you needing to, when Mercury comes into play sometime in April here, that would be around the time, I believe, about the first week, first or 2-3 days. You're going to be needing to revise, relook, recount, reset. You're moving forward in a speed here, so because the planets are. So your motion, your forward motion here, moving forward. Change your thoughts to positive thoughts during this time here as the planets divinely line up. So you want to manifest something good. You need to always be thinking positive thoughts here, Scorpio. Sun, moon, rising. Okay. Also, too, some messages will or will not resonate here. Take the ones, use your own discernment when viewing or listening to any tarot card reader. And again, it might not even be your message. Keep that in mind here. Shuffle those. Okay. So I'm starting off with the Sacred Traveler. This is a time to move forward here. Spirit guides and angels, give me the messages, the energies for Scorpio in 2024 as they move forward, leaving the past behind. Rejuvenate here, reign. Clear the past, heal the present. Let go of this, whatever this is. Fellow travelers, support is all around you. Keep that in mind. You've got support here as you travel along the way. Right here. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. So be thankful and show gratitude here as you travel along your path here, as you heal from the past. At the bottom of the deck, I have stay focused here, Scorpio. Hold on. Hold on. And what is this? Hold the course. Keep focused. Stay the course here. Let's go straight over here to the tarot. So you may be looking at something in a way that you need to, I think you guys recognize this here. I feels like some of y'all recognize this. Some of y'all might be scattered here about the past here, but know that you do have support around you. Spirit guides, angels guide this reading. For the sign of Scorpio, I got the Justice card coming out first here. This is something here dealing with the legal system here. Could be contracts here coming up. Moving forward here. Maybe you need to settle something that needs, oh, there's a 3 of Swords. An ending, a heartbreak could be with divorce here. Not everyone is going through the same thing. It don't have to be divorce. It could be some type of contract that is ending here. 6 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So you're moving somewhere to a calmer place here. Out of an environment, a situation here that may have kept you stuck, emotionally bound here. Feelings, pain, and sorrow here. Right here. Thank you, Spirit. Look at there. You're on a new path here. A new path. Here, a new journey. Be careful where you go. Pay attention. Spirit guides, angels. Tell us more about Scorpio as they move forward here. Tell us more about Scorpio as they move forward here on this path. Here. Here. High Priestess. Not sure, not knowing. You hold the secrets here. I hear use your intuition as you go on this path. And for some odd reason, I got this tap. 2 of Wands here. Unknown. Need to plan this out before you do something here. That's the energy I feel exactly right now. But for other people, I feel like you're taking a chance here in traveling here, making plans. The Hangman. Let me see right here. Thank you, Spirit. Okay. I feel like you were stuck at one point, but I feel like you've gotten enlightenment here. The Sun card is enlightenment for me. Something positive here. The enlightenment here is around the Hangman's head here. The High Priestess here, like something unknown, some secrets, some truth, some wisdom is needed here when planning here on this new journey, this new path. Scorpio, 2024. 4 Cups and the Hierophant. I hear the word release here. And conforming here to something traditional here. I feel like this is something that you need to do here to clear the past. Thank you, Spirit. King of Cups. Use your intuition here. Don't be all emotional about stuff. You got all this man in the middle of this water here in a boat here with all these fishes here. I feel like this is a time to keep your emotions in check here. And that's what it feels like to me with the 3 of Pentacles as you move along, collaborating with other people here. Working together. Again, you got that support coming in. Support is around you. Okay. I feel like this high priestess is someone here that is giving you support here. Could be a mentor here. Feels like someone here that's a mentor is right underneath the high priestess. Let's go over here to the Cosmic Insight deck here and pull out more messages for your sign, Scorpio. Spirit guides and angels, give us more insight for Scorpio. As Scorpio move forward, give us more insight for Scorpio as they move forward. Ooh, Scorpio, tell the universe exactly what you want, how to manifest it. Okay, Scorpio. You have to clear you have to clear your past in order to heal here. I feel like the universe is supporting you right now here. You're this fellow traveler. Is the Fool card is you're on a new path. Support is all around you here. I feel like this card came out because it's giving me the be grateful here is what it gives me. Show gratitude so you can expand. Right here, Scorpio. Ooh, Scorpio, y'all got a date night. Ooh wee. Get ready to be wine and dine, Scorpio. Distance. You and your partner may be physically or emotionally distant here. That's for someone here. This feels like a different energy here. Someone you can be connected to or tied to here. At the bottom of the deck, I have pregnancy. So watch it here, Scorpio. Someone is expecting something, or someone is expecting here. There could be a pregnancy on the arise here, Scorpio. Let's see, what else did I pull out? I use the Love Oracle deck next. Let's see what's playing out in love for you. What's playing out in love? What's playing out in love for Scorpios? 2024. Thank you, Spirit Guides and Angels. What's playing out for Scorpio? What's playing out for Scorpio right here? I got somebody here is on the fence and they regret something here. No decision has been made about a situation here. This could be in a court situation with the Justice card here. Could be about some type of abuse that is occurring with someone here. Like the messages are going to change here. This feels like someone did something and they regretted doing something here, and someone is moving on, right? No. The past returns. Someone from your past here is returning. Perhaps an ex or past life connection here, Scorpio. Right here. There was a proposal here. You could have proposed to this person, or there is a proposal coming up. And someone is on the fence, and I don't know why I'm got it to pull this next card. I don't know. I get this feeling, and I have to do it. Come to me. The bottom of the deck. Oh my goodness. Past life returns. Somebody from the past is returning back to you, Scorpio. Could have been in a relationship with someone here that was abusive towards you. Here. A past life connection here. They want to fix it. Here. All you guys did was argue. This is an argument. Are you hearing each other here? Something's not clear. This is the unknown. Some from a distance is occurring. Could be cycling back around. I feel like the past wants to propose here. Because I got that come to me. Come to me. It's a past life connection for somebody here. Let's go over here to where am I at? The situation. Somebody proposed to somebody here. Somebody is pregnant here. Somebody's on a fence about, and somebody regrets something here. Again, I got the Sun card. Could be with a child. What's the situation in love playing out for Scorpio, spirit guides, and angels? What is the situation playing out in love for Scorpio right here? Get back out there. Meet someone new here. Again, we got date night online. Get out there, Scorpio. Get out there and date. Be careful, though. Spirit guides and angels. What's playing out in love for Scorpio 2024? What's playing out for Scorpio in 2024? The situation in love for 2024 for Scorpio. We have clock. Need time to take, needing time cycles and take time to heal. You do need time to heal because you got to clear the past. And when you do, progression will happen here. Somebody needs time to heal from a situation here. This person or the situation that is occurring right now in your life, again, tarot has no time. Past, present, future. Even though I'm doing it in 2024, this feels like partly past, but coming in that you could be dealing with it now. Somebody is watching and looking and stalking you here. They watch you. Healing heart. Again, Scorpio, need to heal that heart. Again, we got abusive relationship here. Someone was abusive in a relationship. Could be marrying this person. Key on a ring, many options, one night stands, a string along. Could be with that online dating here, Scorpio. At the bottom of the deck, I got time with friends, having fun, happily single. I can see that, being happily single, one night stands, and that pregnancy. Like someone got pregnancy on a one night stand. Here, partying. Here, pregnancy can play a role. Right now, here. Oh, that one didn't go too well. Let's see what is playing out for you, Scorpio, in 2024. Thank you, Spirit Guides and Angels. Give us clear-cut messages for Scorpio. Thank you, Spirit. Let's see, what do we want to know? I want to know why this High Priestess is here. Straight up. Well, I don't really want to know, because she's holding all this. Let's talk about this Three of Swords. Okay, right here. Thank you, Spirit. Just know, whatever this Three of Swords is somebody here is curious here. Tell me more about this Three of Swords, Spirit Guides and Angels. That this person is standing their ground here. You are standing your ground here. I got two conflicting energies. Someone's curious and someone's standing their ground. Okay, because of this Three of Swords. Let's pull one more on that Three of Swords. Ooh. Someone lost an opportunity here with that Ace of Pentacles in a reverse. Justice is here. They didn't feel like this was, look, letting go. They didn't feel like this was fair. Someone is letting go. So I feel like since you let go here and you're standing up here, I feel like you're guarded. There's a missed opportunity here with someone here. I'm watching that candle. Tell me about this Four of Cups. For right here, Scorpio. I have the Four of Swords here. I feel like you released this and you're finding a place of peace here. I feel like you're finding a place of mental strength. I don't know why I need to pull this one here. Over these lies here that were told here. Someone here was focused on themselves here with that King of Wands. Tell me about this King of Cups. Oh, look at there, guys. This is your reading. We got the Two of Wands, and we already have the Two of Wands. Here, this is you looking at something here. Planning to move forward. Again, these readings are about moving forward here. This is you withdrawing and detaching here. Emotionally here too. Okay? Because this is the King of Cups. I'm clarifying that. I got that Six of Cups. Fearing of moving on. I hope not, Scorpio. Tell me about this regret. Ooh, y'all see that? The Sun card came out, and it came out in the upright. I feel like this is somebody regrets. They've gotten enlightenment on this here, and they see you as being a successful person here. Again, this could be related to a pregnancy for some people here too. This is truth coming out. It's been like illuminated. but someone is fearing moving on with that death card, Scorpio energy at the bottom of the deck. I don't feel like this is you. I feel like if you're dealing with someone like this, this is what is occurring right now. I can't really feel like who's on what side here. It feels like a back and forth type of energy for me right now is what I feel like. I can't tell who's right, who's wrong here. It feels like it's hard to tell. I'm trying to figure out what else I'll need to. Let's talk about this past return. Okay, so if the past return here, this is something that is being blocked. This is a past ex or a past life here. It's a Chariot in the reverse. It feels like this is being blocked. Yep. Because somebody again, we got this Queen of Wands in the reverse. This is somebody here again that is manipulative, lies. About themselves here. Tell me about this ex-lover, this past return, spirit guides and angels for Scorpio. What is this? Returning, or at least they trying to return for Scorpio. Okay, right here. Look, again, this person missed an opportunity. This is why it's blocked. Okay. At the bottom of the deck, I got the Queen of Cups. This is telling me that you need to focus and nurture yourself. Focus on you here. Let's see who this is that's watching you. Who's this? Someone here sees you as being independent here, abundance here, hardworking here. You're thriving here. You thrive for freedom of your status being free. Yeah, I'm talking to people that are single. Somebody here is single. This is like somebody here is single, honestly. Queen of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Someone you can't trust. Can't be trusted. It's at the bottom. They see you as this. This is a Queen of Swords at the bottom of the deck. This person is upset with you because you're independent, you're successful, and you're financially stable here. You're secure. This person here is gossiping about you and putting you down here. I have this Judgment card at the bottom of the deck, and this is somebody here that has not learned their lessons. Scorpio, remember the reading is about moving forward here, okay? So I want you to keep in mind as I close out this reading that you have support around you, okay? But until then, Scorpio, namaste. Please like and subscribe. Thumb up this video. Until next time.